Hi guys, this is Tech Knight with my Airsoft Collection. So I'm going to go down the list and name them. This is my sniper rifle, M4 carbine, M4 assault rifle, M16, AK-47, two P90s, two submachine guns, and MP5. This whole row is electronic guns, full auto and semi. The bottom row we have a pump shotgun, a Ranger, a spring pistol, not a spring pistol, a CO2 pistol, spring pistol, and here's the accessories: two silencers, two tactical flashlights to go on the rails, a bayonet that can clip onto the gun, an extra AK-47 magazine, a sling, tactical cold steel training knife, PFI gas grenade, and two speed loaders. And then the apparel we have desert camo shirt, helmet, two tactical gloves, and we have tactical vest and glasses. And that's it. Thanks.